All right, it is time. We are finally taking care of the one modification that you all have been begging me to do, and I can't even sit here in front. I've been wanting to get this done for some time, and our friends over at Cervinis made it happen. Yo, what is going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you another video. Thank you all so much for tuning back into the channel, and today, guys, we have such a fun modification going down on my 2013 Mustang GT, also known as Blucifer, and this is one modification that a lot of you have been bugging me to do ever since I got the car, and it's definitely one modification that I have been kind of sidestepping because there's just so many options when it comes to it, and I just didn't know which one to get. I'm not gonna go and ruin the surprise on the type of style I got just yet, but we are indeed putting a new hood on this beast, and it's definitely one of the last puzzle pieces when it comes to the exterior mods of this car. I have done everything from the GT500 conversion, I've done the GT500 valence with the quad tip Corsas, the Roush side skirts, and so on and so forth. So pretty much, again, one of the last cosmetic mods to do on the exterior of this car is a hood. And like I said, our friends over at Cervinis hooked it up today, and I'm beyond excited to go and get this thing on to see how it looks and ultimately just see how it goes with the car's scheme. I'm hoping it looks as good as I can picture it in my head, which I think it's going to. That's what we have on today's agenda. If you're excited, please do your boy a favor, continue to watch this full video, drop a like up on the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I do have the hood currently at my buddy Chase's shop, so that's where we're heading to right now. And let's get this show on the road. I know it's been a while since you guys have seen the interior of this car and me driving it around. You guys obviously know it was out for the count for about 2 months while we did the headlights and taillights on the car. But safe to say, those are installed, everything feels great. And I think this feels better though, honestly, being back in the Mustang instead of, you know, the Corvette. I mean, who really likes a Corvette? That touchscreen though, got the nav on there and everything, so worth it. Pulling up the Chases now, and we even have Ted's car right here. I know he was gonna do some work to it as well. Parked next to him, and we shall go see what Chase is up to. Probably just wrapping up work now. It's, what time is it? It is 6:42. So yeah, he should be done with work. I think, hopefully the man's done with the work. Looking good. What are these goons doing? I thought you were done with this.
Yeah, right. No. Button everything. It'll make it good and sellable.
Presentable.
Yeah.
Ah. When's this hitting the market? Hopefully soon. Next week? So, if you guys are looking for 1314, I know guy. How many miles?
35,000.
Oh, 35,000 miles. Okay. Is this the goodies? I want to say these are going to be the hood struts for this hood. Nearly positive. This is gonna be box 2 we're gonna open. Chase is currently getting box 3.
Not heavy.
No, it's not.
I really figured it was gonna be heavier. I don't like it, you know.
So I got the boxes behind me, obviously hood right here. I'm not gonna say what that is because it might give away what hood I got. And then the hood strut box. So we're gonna try to crank this thing open it. Cervinis. So Cervinis and I discussed that we wanted to showcase one of their newer hoods. This is gonna be a like 2020 GT500 style hood. You're gonna see that in just a moment. You can kind of see exactly how it's laid out already. But we're gonna have this huge centerpiece here, which is gonna be an air vent. And it's a lot bigger than I thought it was, honestly. I didn't think the vent was gonna be that big, but it should look really good. All right, there it is. It definitely has a cowl effect, which I really wanted on the car. I wanted to go with a cowl hood. Not quite like Teddy's. I wanted the, is it the, yeah, what's the other one?
Cobra R.
2.5, Cobra R, yeah, the Cobra R cowl hood. This is kind of perfect because it's a mix of in between. With the regular Cobra R hood, you have no vents or black accents on the hood. It's just a cowl. There's no heat extractors on that hood, but this one is like perfect because you can see it has a nice cowl to it. Almost the same style as the Cobra R, but we have this box right here. This is gonna be the big old, again, like replica of the 2020 GT500 heat extractor. That's gonna pop right in the middle there. And I wanna say that this is going to be a matte black. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna leave it matte black. I know the Shelby front grills, the lip, they're all a matte black, which is gonna be like this plastic. I'm gonna see how it looks on the car with that. If it's not, you know, satisfying enough, then I'm gonna take this vent out, send it to the paint shop, get it painted gloss black, so it, you know, it fits that whole look I have going on with the gloss gurney flap on the GT500 wing, the gloss black roof, and then this will be gloss black. But let's go ahead and take this thing out.
It looks so weird without that vent.
And there's our vent. Big old vent we got a bolt on underneath. Not too sure if I'm gonna leave this like this matte plastic. It's gonna match the front end of the car, but I don't know if it's gonna really look good with the gloss black roof, gloss black accents on the rear. But we'll see. Now I'm just unboxing the smaller box, which should be the hood struts and probably some mounting hardware for the vent. And it also came with like this enclosed vent. I don't think I need that. I think this is gonna be an option if you don't wanna leave it completely exposed. But we have a blower on the car. We're definitely gonna leave the functioning heat extractor. Definitely cool it down a lot more. So let's get this unboxed real quick, see what we got inside. So in the smaller box, we obviously had, like I said, the new hood props. And these ones are really nice too because it even says Cervinis on the sides there. And then we have the hardware and washers, nuts, locking nuts and everything for the heat extractor. So I think the next step is just getting the car pulled in. We're gonna take the old hood off. Man, I am very excited. This thing looks killer. The color looks spot on from just my eyes and not comparing it to the car. So fingers crossed, the paint match is very, very close. I'm not expecting it to be perfect, but thankfully the car's has been garage kept its whole life, literally its whole life. Bye-bye stock hood. Just by looking at the comparison now, it should look so much better. I am so freaking stoked for this, guys. It's gonna look so good. Old hood here, you can see it's very plain Jane. It has, you know, a slight little concave for those of you that have seen these before, not much at all, but I did throw in the black vents a long time ago to kind of go with the color scheme of the car. Stock hood, the new Cervinis hood. This one definitely has more cowl to it, and these hoods are nice and all, but I was just looking, and my God, I might have to just, yeah, I'm sorry Cervini, but I don't think I'm gonna install this. What do you guys think? Should I rock it like this Mustang week? Drop a like if so. If we hit 2,000 likes, I'll do it for a couple days. But this actually looks really sick. All right, playtime's over. Let's go ahead and throw on the new Cervinis hood. I like how I say, hey, do you have water, man? This dude has a fresh, cold Gatorade.
You know, he's doing work on my car. I buy him shit.
I asked him if you want a Monster. He turned on a Monster. That's not like him. He's going through it.
Like you.
Chill. We have the Cervinis hood struts mounted as well. We did the tweaking, got the hood aligned. We actually had to loosen up the fenders just a tad to get it perfectly aligned. Gonna slap the vent in and then she's done. So let's go ahead and knock that out real quick and give you guys a little look at this thing.
I knew it.
Just got done installing Cervinis GT500 heat extractor style hood. I'm super excited for you guys to see this, and shout out to Cervinis for helping me out with this hood. Everything is gonna be linked in the description. As of now, I wanna say I'm probably the only S197 with the GT500 front end with this hood. Definitely the first in grabber blue, I think. So if you wanna hop on these hoods, do it quick because not many people have them. Here it is, and keep in mind, I've already decided that I'm gonna get the heat extractor painted gloss black to match the gloss black roof, the deck lid, and the gurney flap on the Shelby wing. But here she is, and I'm in love with it. So it's perfect. It's exactly what I wanted. An awesome cowl look, but that big meaty vent right there. And once that's fully active, painted gloss black, it's gonna be so sick. So Teddy just wants to give you guys a little walk around of the car, just get the angles. I'm very satisfied with it though. Got the demon eyes, fog lights, new hood, and this thing looks freaking sick. Now we just needs a good old detail to really make it pop, but oh my God, that looks so good. The last puzzle piece to the exterior, pretty much. Well, see you guys tomorrow.